Good morning, children. Welcome to online classes. Now, children, we are going to start our new rhyme. And our new rhyme name is 1, 2, buckle my shoes. Okay? Now, today first I am going to do the reading of the rhyme. And after that I am going to explain the rhyme in proper action. Okay? So, children, please see this. 1, 2, buckle my shoes. 3, 4, shut the door. 5, 6, pick up sticks. 7, 8, lay them straight. 9, 10, a big fat hen. So children, this is the rhyme we are going to say in proper action. So now children, follow the video as it is said and try to do in proper action. So now be ready. 1, 2, buckle my shoes. Okay? 3, 4, shut the door. 5, 6, pick up sticks. 7, 8, lay them straight. 9, 10, a big fat hen. Okay, children, now once again. Same thing we are going to repeat. But follow the action. For that action, I am going to repeat the rhymes again. 1, 2, buckle my shoes. 3, 4, shut the door. 5, 6, pick up sticks. 7, 8, lay them straight. Okay? 9, 10, a big fat hen. Got it? So this is